To the younger members who are present, I urge you to remember that in today's world of accelerating change, education is and should remain a lifelong process. It is only by investing continuously in your intellectual capacities that you can hope to survive in the world of tomorrow. Islam enjoins upon an individual the maintaining of a balance between spiritual life and material well-being, and to ensure that his or her material endeavors are underpinned by the ethical principles of Islam. This balance between deen and dunya entails not only the fulfillment of the individual's spiritual obligation, but also the obligation to acquire knowledge and to use it for the benefit of others.